Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics effectively. First, prioritize understanding core concepts. Physics isn't about rote memorization. It's about grasping the underlying principles. Spend time reviewing foundational math, like algebra and trigonometry, as these are the language of physics. A solid conceptual base will make problem solving much more intuitive and less frustrating. Next, dedicate significant time to problem solving. Physics is learned by doing. Work through numerous examples, starting with simpler ones and gradually increasing difficulty. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, more approachable parts. Always draw a diagram. Visualizing the forces and motions involved can clarify the situation immensely. Active learning is crucial for retention. Instead of just reading your textbook, try to explain concepts in your own words, perhaps to a friend or even to yourself. This process highlights areas where your understanding is weak. Consistent review of earlier topics, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, helps to build a robust and interconnected knowledge base. Finally, remember that physics can be challenging, and it's perfectly fine to seek help. Don't let confusion linger. Ask your instructor questions during office hours or consult online resources. Collaborating with peers in a study group can offer new perspectives and help clarify difficult concepts. Learning from others is a powerful tool for effective physics study.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.